Now, I've got to say that the Note 20 Ultra has been one of the phones I've used that has made me fall in love with smartphones all over again. And there is a reason why I dubbed it the Premium King in my full experience review. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 favorite features on the Note 20 Ultra. Let's go. Hi, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this and you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. Now, in regards to using the Note 20 Ultra, I definitely wanted to say a big thank you to Vodafone UK for supplying the Note 20 Ultra for review and testing. And you will find links in the description below for all the latest deals on the Note 20 Ultra on Vodafone UK. Now, first has got to be the overall design and the build. And I'm going to focus more on this Mystic Bronze model that I've been using because damn, from the satin matte finish at the back, the intentional chamfered design of the rear camera rings and the outer rear camera module, the seamless curve on both at the front and the back of the device with that distinctive flat edges at the top and the bottom of the phone. Come on, man. This phone is peng, it's beautiful, and definitely one of, if probably not, the best looking phone from 2020 into 2021. Next and secondly is the overall display design. Now, I know that the function of curved displays will always come into question, even for myself personally, but damn man, you have to admit, really, it does help in hiding the bezels and also reducing the overall physical size and the footprint of the device while still giving you an even more all-screen visual look at the display. As someone who watches a lot of videos daily, this screen practically pops, and with how good the brightness is and the clarity with this dynamic AMOLED display, you know Samsung are really in their element when it comes to display screen design. Next is the camera hardware, specifically the zoom capabilities and how they refined it, and also the ultra wide angle camera. Now, I know the main 108 megapixel main sensor that records 8K video gets all the attention, but for me personally, it's the tech behind the optical zoom at ×5x optical, also especially the quality of the ultra wide angle lens that I really love about the Note 20 Ultra. Now, if you've not seen the countless camera comparisons I've done with the Note 20 Ultra, then you definitely need to check it out, because out of all the phones I've used, man, the Note 20 Ultra definitely so far has my favorite ultra wide angle lens. From the image quality, the field of view, the dynamic range, and even the video stabilization, man, it's just solid. Next is definitely the dual SIM capabilities of the Note 20 Ultra with the use of 2 physical SIM card slots. Now, I'm speaking for myself in this one, and how much I value this feature. This is one of the reasons why, as an avid Z Fold 2 user, it annoys me why Samsung somehow did not include dual physical SIM slots on the Z Fold 2, and this is one thing that the Note 20 Ultra definitely does correctly. And as much as I don't care that much for the micro SD card slot, which I did a video on it, the Note 20 Ultra is still probably the last Samsung flagship to have the SD card slot, so that in itself adds a level of flexibility for storage management for a lot of users. Last and not the least has got to be the very thing that makes it a Note device, which is, of course, the S Pen. And to this day, no other phone manufacturer, they've really tried to do what the Note does with the S Pen. And yes, some could say that, you know what, they've come pretty close, but we all know, man, the Note series is a true champion when it comes to stylus support with the S Pen, and the fact that you can store it away into the frame of the phone as part of the hardware design, the ability to take screen off memos, air commands for quick access to the S Pen, supported software features, and just the pure essence of having that fine detailed control for things like sketching, editing photos, and signing documents easily. Man, this is what really makes the Note series a Note. And look, say what you will, but the S Pen just can't be beaten. That is it for me. Those are my 5 favorite features on the Note 20 Ultra. Could this potentially actually be the last Note, or will there be a Note 21 Ultra for 2021? That is it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.